Welcome back to TechTide Digital Lifestyle. In this lecture, we will explore the Power Management System, or PMS, which is the central brain of modern ship electrical automation. PMS is designed to control all shipboard generators, manage loads, and prevent electrical system failures automatically. Unlike older manual systems, PMS monitors busbar voltage, frequency, generator load, and alarms in real time, reducing human error. Imagine a scenario where multiple generators are running, cargo pumps start suddenly, and the load rises sharply. Without PMS, overload trips could occur, causing blackouts. With PMS, the system automatically starts standby generators, balances the load, and ensures critical equipment like steering gear and navigation lights remain operational. For all marine engineers, ETOS, and electrical officers, understanding PMS is essential for safe watchkeeping, fuel efficiency, and operational reliability. Before we continue, remember to subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle, like this video, and share it with colleagues. Your support helps us deliver more professional marine electrical tutorials. Now, let's understand why PMS is absolutely required on board modern ships. Why PMS is required on board ship. Electrical loads are never constant. They vary according to operating conditions, cargo handling, auxiliary machinery, and environmental demands. Cargo pumps, thrusters, refrigeration systems, and air compressors all cause sudden changes in load on the main switchboard. Without an automatic management system, sudden load increases can overload generators, causing trips and potential blackouts. Sudden load decreases can make generators inefficient, wasting fuel and increasing wear. The PMS constantly monitors the system, starting or stopping generators automatically, shedding non-essential loads, and balancing load sharing. This ensures essential systems remain powered, voltage and frequency are stable, and blackouts are prevented. This automation significantly reduces human error, improves safety, and enhances operational efficiency. Understanding PMS operation is critical for all ship engineers, whether on watch or troubleshooting in the control room. The main functions of PMS include automatic generator start and stop, load sharing, load shedding, blackout prevention, and synchronization. These functions work together to keep the ship's electrical system stable under all conditions. The PMS continuously monitors voltage, frequency, generator load, and reactive power. When load rises suddenly, it starts standby generators and synchronizes them automatically. When load falls, it disconnects generators to save fuel. During load sharing, PMS ensures that all generators contribute evenly, preventing overload on any single machine. In case of overload or frequency drop, it performs automatic load shedding, ensuring that essential equipment like steering gear, fire pumps, and navigation lights remain operational. Modern PMS systems also provide alarms, historical logs, and predictive alerts, enabling engineers to proactively manage potential faults before they cause serious issues. Automatic generator start and stop is one of the most important features of PMS. When the system detects that the total load exceeds preset limits, it starts a standby generator without any manual intervention. Once the generator reaches the correct voltage and frequency, PMS synchronizes it to the busbar and shares the load automatically with other running generators. When the total load decreases, PMS stops one or more generators to save fuel, reduce wear, and maintain efficiency. This automation ensures continuous, uninterrupted power supply to critical systems, including steering gear, emergency lighting, navigation systems, and fire pumps. It also helps operators manage multiple generators without constantly monitoring them manually. Proper operation of automatic start-stop improves fuel efficiency, reduces human error, and ensures operational safety under sudden load changes. Automatic load sharing. When multiple generators operate in parallel, load sharing is crucial. Unequal load distribution can cause reverse power flow, overheating, and premature generator wear. The PMS automatically adjusts each generator's active power, kW, using the governor and reactive power, kVAR, using the AVR, ensuring balanced operation. Load sharing also helps maintain stable bus voltage and frequency, even during sudden load fluctuations. Balanced loading prevents generator trips, blackouts, and ensures that essential machinery continues running smoothly. Operators can monitor real-time load percentages on the PMS HMI screen, making it easier to track and troubleshoot any issues. Automatic load sharing is not just about convenience, it's a critical safety feature for modern ships with automated electrical systems. Load shedding is the automatic disconnection of non-essential loads when generation capacity is insufficient. If the total demand exceeds the available generation, PMS prioritizes essential equipment like steering gear, fire pumps, emergency lighting, and navigation systems. Non-essential loads such as air conditioning, galley equipment, and non-critical cargo systems are disconnected temporarily. This prevents a total blackout while keeping the ship's vital systems operational. The system reconnects non-essential loads automatically once the load stabilizes and generation is sufficient. Load shedding is an essential part of PMS, ensuring ship safety, operational continuity, and minimizing the risk of catastrophic power failure. Blackout prevention feature. Blackout prevention is one of the most critical functions of PMS. The system constantly monitors frequency and voltage. If frequency drops rapidly, it indicates overload or an impending generator trip. Before the system fails, PMS automatically starts standby generators and sheds non-essential loads to stabilize the network. This ensures that essential equipment continues to operate, even under emergency conditions. Blackout prevention is particularly important during cargo operations, night watch, or heavy maneuvering, where any loss of power could be hazardous. PMS acts faster than human operators, providing a reliable safety net and enhancing operational security on board. PMS panels or automation interface. PMS is controlled via digital control panels, PLC systems, and human-machine interface, HMI, screens. Engineers can monitor generator status, load percentage, alarm history, synchronization, and reactive power from the interface. The interface provides real-time data visualization, allowing operators to make informed decisions or perform manual override if necessary. Most modern PMS systems are fully automated, but engineers must know manual control in case of PLC or HMI failure. A well-designed PMS interface ensures efficient, safe, and transparent operation, reducing human error and improving overall shipboard power management. PMS troubleshooting or common issues. Even automated systems can face problems. Common PMS issues include generator not auto-starting, synchronization failure, load imbalance, false load shedding, and PLC communication errors. Troubleshooting involves checking sensor signals, CTPT inputs, governor or AVR settings, and communication cables. Engineers must understand both electrical circuits and automation logic to resolve these issues efficiently. Proper troubleshooting knowledge ensures that PMS functions reliably, prevents unnecessary blackouts, and maintains essential ship operations. Regular inspection, calibration, and testing are also key to avoiding PMS failures. Summary or importance. Let's summarize today's lecture. We covered what PMS is and why it is required. Automatic generator start and stop. Load sharing and load shedding. Blackout prevention. PMS panels and HMI interface. Common troubleshooting scenarios. PMS is the brain of modern ship electrical automation, ensuring reliable, safe, and efficient operation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle to continue learning professional marine and industrial electrical tutorials. Also, visit our channel playlist section for main switchboard tutorial series, generator synchronization guides, blackout handling procedures, emergency switchboard operation tutorials. Thank you for watching this lecture on power management system and ship electrical automation. I hope this session has helped you clearly understand how PMS keeps the ship's electrical system safe, efficient, and reliable. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your feedback helps us create more practical and professional tutorials for marine engineers, ETOS, and electrical professionals. Make sure to subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. We upload detailed tutorials, including main switchboard, emergency generator, blackout handling, and other critical marine electrical systems. Also, check out our playlist section to continue your learning journey. There you'll find complete step-by-step guides, practical troubleshooting tips, and advanced lessons to help you become confident in onboard electrical systems. Keep learning, stay safe on board, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks again for watching.